Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with another video. You're watching initialearn channel. In this video we'll talk about an exchange airdrop. From there we can get up to $25 totally free. So before that, if you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification button also. And do check out our video. We make a video about how to claim a free airdrops and token related. So do check out our playlist. And if you are not joined our telegram channel, then guys, what are you doing? Go and join our telegram channel. You can see that we share a lot of airdrops here, so do join. And today we will see about an Maiar Airdrop, which is we shared on day before yesterday only. So for the quick update and information about our airdrop, so do join our telegram channel. We give a quick update about some airdrops. So let's see what is an Maiar exchange and how we will get up to $25 of an free airdrop. Before I want to say something that guys, please don't miss any exchanges airdrop. So if you might heard about an CHNG, which is an Ching Finance exchange, from today 4 months ago, the Ching's Finance were dropped airdrop. Who and all joined the Ching airdrops, they were in a good profit up to $300 of a free Ching they earned from the airdrop. So I will repeat it once again, so do not miss any exchanges airdrop. So let's see about today's airdrops from Maiar exchange. Here you can see the Maiar is the fastest Bitcoin wallet. From this Maiar exchange airdrop, you will get up to $25 of free earnings from it, so don't miss it. To participate in Maiar exchange airdrop, just come and join our telegram channel, and I will give this post link in this video description. By clicking that telegram's link, you will be redirected to this post, and you can see that the one link is here. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will open up in your browser. Once the link got opened, you will get this type of interface. You will see that you have to do some little bit of tasks, so don't worry, I will explain in everything in this video, so be stick with this video. And airdrop gonna end in 5 days, and if we can see that we have to do some little bit of a task. In first task, we have to register in a Maiar app. So just come back to our telegram channel. In here you can see that one more link in the same post. You can see that the app link. Just click on that link button and just open it. Once the page get loads, you will see this type of interface. It's an official page of an Maiar.com, and once you click that link, you will get this type of interface. And it's a sign up page of an Maiar.com. We will sign up to Maiar with our phone number, and you can see that there is a prefix. Just tap on it and you will see your lot of countries, and just select your country and enter a valid phone number. Make sure you have enter a valid phone number, because if you enter a fake phone number, then you might get in a trouble. If you delete or forgot the password of your Maiar account, then the reset password link also sent to be to that same number which you have provided here. So make sure you have enter a valid phone number. Just select your country and just enter your phone number. After that, just click this checkbox, and you have to verify that you are not a robot. Just select the capture image, and you will get go to your register mobile number. Just enter it and just click on sign up. Once you sign up successfully, just come back to our airdrop page and just tap on first task. Once you tap on that, you will be redirected to a Play Store. After that, you will see Maiar app. Just click on install. I'm already installed it, that's why I'm getting uninstall and open. So just click on install and download the app, install it, open the app, and you will see this type of interface. And just click on a profile and just log in with your credential. Once you logged in, then you will get this type of interface. Here you can see that once you tap on a protect wallet, you will to enter 4 digits of pin. So just set 4 digits of a pin, and after that the protect wallet step get completed. Here you can see the others 2. Before that it was on 1. Here we have to back up our wallet. Just click on it, and here we have to back up our face key. Just make sure you have save or stored face key with a secure manners. If you miss that face key, you won't be able to recover your account, so make sure you have backup it securely. Once the backup procedure get completed, you will see there's a 3 and there's a tick mark for it. Here you can see the Herotag option. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will open up like this. Just enter a name what you want to give for your wallet. For example, I will give like an initialearn. Here you can see it's available for me now. Just copy that name what you give here and click on a continue. After that, just come back to our airdrop page, and here you can see that one task get completed. If that task not completed, then just click on continue, the task get completed. After that, here we have to enter a Herotag. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will open up like this. And it's the main thing that I told you to copy a Herotag. Just paste that Herotag here. Once you paste the Herotag of your account, then just click on continue. Once you click on continue, here you can see that there is a 2 check mark, and just click on a third task, and in here we have to follow their Twitter account. Just click on follow. Once you click on follow, it will redirect your Twitter account. Just click on follow. Here you can see that we were following their Twitter account. After this, come back to our airdrop page and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will verify whether you have successfully completed the task of a Twitter account. Once it verified, you can see that done, and you got one more entry and a check mark for that. And in a photos, we have to follow their another Twitter account. Same thing like in a third task. Just tap on it, and it will open up account of there, and just click on a follow, and the same thing has we done on a third task. Follow their Twitter account, and just come back and click on a continue. After that, in task we have to retweet their post. Just click on a retweet. After that, it will open up a retweet page, and the post which we have to retweet just come down, and you can see that we will getting a retweet and acquired it. Just click on a retweet. Once you retweet it, you will get a green mark that you have retweeted. After that, just come back to a airdrop page and click on continue. Once you click on continue, we have completed the retweet task also, which is their Facebook account. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will open up like this. Just click on visit, and it will open up the Facebook account. And once you visit, just come back and click on continue. And same thing for the Facebook task also. After that, you can see that we have completed all the tasks. Then wait for airdrop distribution. After the 5 days, airdrop get ends, and after some days we will get our reward in our Maiar wallet. So we represent the please don't miss exchanges airdrop. You can see that we got 13 entries. And if you are airdrop lover, then please come and join our telegram channel. If you still not join our telegram channel, then here we shared a lot of airdrops. If you are airdrop lover, then come and join our, and we share proof also. You can see the proof. If you are airdrop lover, then just come and join our telegram channel. In this video, this much only, guys. If you like this video, give a like, and if you didn't like this video, give a dislike and mention why you didn't like this video. And if you are new to our channel, then please go and hit the subscribe button, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Peace.